Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how closet copy look like in Hindi. I don't speak Hindi, but I'm gonna put input in English and the output will come out in Hindi. So if you can read Hindi, you will find out how it look like. Let's start. I'm gonna go to dashboard. I'm gonna create new project. I call it how to get 5 million YouTube subscribers. I click save. I'm gonna look for it. I'm gonna open it. From here, I'm gonna click new document. And I'm gonna give it a name. Click save. Now open it. So we are going to start with the long form, okay? So I'm gonna paste this here, how to get 5 million YouTube subscribers, but from here I'm gonna change the language to Hindi. I'm gonna look for Hindi, select. Okay, so I'm gonna come to this tool, brief. I'm gonna select how to get 5 million and then click brief. As you can see, the input is in English, but it's gonna give me an output in Hindi. Okay, as you can see here, this is in Hindi. This is here one word, 278 characters. So you can pause and read this. I don't know what it means, but I can translate. Select it. Google Translate. I'm gonna ask for English. I can go back, copy it, click here. I'm gonna paste it here. In this post, we provide you some of the best tips which you can increase your view on YouTube channel, help you more get. Okay, you see, it's not bad. Okay, so you can click add it here. Okay, so what next we can do is to select all these texts, and then I'm gonna ask Closet Copy to write a paragraph for me. It's gonna be still in Hindi. As I select here Hindi, okay, but it doesn't matter what you put. You can put English, French, Chinese. Now it's writing a paragraph for you. You can also put the introduction, the headline, the outline, the conclusion. All those features, you can use them. Let what is finished. Okay, this is what we got. The only thing I can read here is Daily Motion. And here you can pause the video and then read everything. I can add all this. I can also just select this one and then come to comment. If you want me to make a video on anything else in Hindi here, I'm gonna come so it you just leave a comment. Just want to see. "27 seconds left," as you can see here. I'm gonna also leave a link in the description of this video in case if you want the lifetime deal, you can get it from that link. 9 seconds. It's writing for you. Wow, you see all these things. You see what we got? You see? Unfortunately, I can't read this. Everything is in Hindi. You can go. I think those are title. Look like title here. This one here. You can still pause this video and then read it by yourself. As you can see, if you like one of these, you just click here. If you want to delete, you click delete. If you want to copy, you copy. Or if you want to add the text to the editor, you just click here like this. Okay. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe. Ciao.